Hey guys, welcome to another glitch video. Uh, this time I'm on planet Gaspar, the fire planet, the block bomber base, whatever you guys want to call it. And I'm going to show you this glitch where you can climb on a wall and get to one of those cannons you see up there. Well, first we're going to have to take care of those little problems. There we go. Now then, go this way. Ow. There we go. Commit suicide. The glitch takes place at this area. Go up the elevator, and right over there, that's where you want to go. Go as far as you can to the edge of this elevator and lift off. Now you see, this is solid ground, and you're up here. This was actually not meant to happen in the Insomniac development, but too bad, I got it. You could also go up here. You see the level is already getting a bit glitchy right now. See, that's the tunnel where you're supposed to be going. The entire factory and your ship over there. This looks really stupid, I know, but I'm going to see if I can get on there again. Now I am standing over here. Right. So let's see if I can do it without getting the screen as glitchy as it was. The left side. That's your way up. There we go. Now you got a clear view of the planet, the block bombers, and the, well, what is it? Facility? Ship testing ground, whatever. You can just have fun. So this was my glitch of today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll keep you guys posted. I don't know which planet I'm going to be targeting next to perform some glitches at, but as soon as I find some pretty cool one, I'll be sure to upload them so you can see them.